Hey there, welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing. In this video, we're talking about performance marketing, what it is, how it works, and how it can deliver real, measurable results for your business. Let's jump in. What is performance marketing and how can it benefit my business? Performance marketing is all about results. You only pay when specific actions are taken, like clicks, leads, or sales. That means your budget goes straight toward outcomes that drive growth, giving you better control over ROI and a clear path to measurable success. What are the main channels used in performance marketing? Some of the most effective channels include Google Ads, social media ads like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, affiliate marketing, and email marketing campaigns. Each one can be tailored to your audience and goals for maximum efficiency and return. How is campaign measurement and optimization conducted? We use advanced tools to track everything from clicks to conversions. We monitor key metrics like cost per click, CPC, cost per acquisition, CPA, and conversion rate. Then we optimize continuously, adjusting your campaign in real time to get the best possible performance. What types of businesses can benefit from performance marketing? This approach works for any business with clear goals, big or small. Whether you're in e-commerce looking to boost online sales, or B2B aiming to generate high-quality leads, performance marketing helps you grow with precision and impact. Want to turn your marketing into measurable growth? Let's make it happen. Reach out to Ferrer Digital Marketing or explore the next video in this playlist to learn more about strategies that drive real results. Thanks for watching and welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing.